CDG Inspection, a trusted name in testing and inspection services worldwide, is proud to offer ISO 7628 testing services for road vehicles. ISO 7628 is the global standard for thermoplastic tubing used in air brake systems. We specialize in testing thermoplastic tubing under real-world conditions. Our services include testing chemical resistance, burst pressure, and aging properties, critical for reliable air brake systems. Air brake systems are essential for the safety of heavy-duty vehicles. Our advanced facilities simulate extreme conditions to test the performance of thermoplastic tubing in diverse environments. CDG Inspection provides globally recognized certifications, giving manufacturers confidence in their products. Our experienced team ensures precise analysis and detailed reporting, helping you meet regulatory and performance standards. With CDG Inspection's testing services, you can ensure that your products perform flawlessly. We guide you through every step of the process, from testing to certification. Our ISO 7628 testing also evaluates physical properties like tensile strength and elongation to meet rigorous quality benchmarks. CDG Inspection is your trusted partner for testing and certification, no matter where you are. Our detailed reports provide the insights you need to make informed decisions. To learn more or to make an inquiry, visit us at www.cdginspection.com. Choose CDG Inspection for your ISO 7628 testing needs. Reliable, accurate, trusted worldwide.